You learn at the beginning of this series that to learn is aprender in Spanish, and aprender is related to apprentice. Therefore, the apprentice is the one who learns, not the student. To integrate apprenticeship into the equation, the top half of the class consists of masters who collaborate with the other half, the apprentices. I will always embody the roles of both master and apprentice. Education, in essence, is a journey towards becoming more human, helping and being helped. This new system fosters partnership, responsibility, and empathy, ultimately shaping students into better individuals and more productive members of society. It doesn't matter how many times I assume the role of apprentice or master. In this new approach of education, working for the team is tantamount to working for oneself. Everyone makes progress and is rewarded for their efforts. There is equal value in being part of the first half of the class or the second. Talent is irrelevant. We all help each other improve. The master of the team will improve the learning from teaching, helping the apprentice, and the apprentice will benefit also, of course, from the collaboration. They both accumulate money. Well, stay tuned for more.